Committee on Tribal Unity (CoTU) has demanded the immediate release of KUKI CSO leaders arrested in connection with an incident at Leimakung area. In a press release, the organization claimed that the CSO leaders were actually attempting to contain and control an agitated mob during the Leimakung incident on July 11. CoTU urged authorities to stop harassing KUKI civil society leaders at their residences and to instead focus on arresting miscreants who are obstructing essential commodity supplies to Kangpokpi. Condemning the economic blockade, the committee termed the July 11 clash a humanitarian crisis that the administration must not tolerate. It further criticized the government's security policy, accusing authorities of appeasing sections of the so-called radicalized Kachanaga community and overlooking the sabotage of basic goods. While acknowledging the NIA, CRPF and State Police for arresting 2 suspects on July 10 in connection with the murder of 6 Naga hostages, the committee accused MP Bimola Koijam of instigating pandemonium at Leimakung by provoking mob sentiments over the torching of abandoned Meitei houses. It alleged that the MP's frequent confrontations with Central Security Forces and the Army are inappropriate for a parliamentarian. CoTU added that they would caution miscreants against repeating such acts in the future to avoid exacerbating the already volatile situation.